Wondering how to create a custom new document in Procreate? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to Procreate Basic Series 2 video. I am Harini, a digital creator, and I don't want this to be a super long intro of talking about myself. If you want to know more about me, you can check it out on my website under the About Me page. So now let's just roll straight into why you are here. We will get know in a bit. This video is the extension of the series 1 video. So if you haven't watched the series 1 video, then I suggest you to watch them first in order to follow up with the Procreate basic lessons. And this video will likely be more helpful to all Procreate beginners. If you ask me how so, well, I received a lot of questions on how to start with Procreate app. And I understand the problem you are facing as a beginner. Even I was facing the same struggle when I started with Procreate app. And also I did lot of mistake and wasted plenty of time in learning Procreate basics. So I'm gonna share my knowledge through the series to help you all to rectify such problems. To get the best out of the series, you need to practice what you see in the videos immediately by following them step by step. Don't go to next series until you have practiced the previous one. Moreover, if you want to learn, my videos are ready to watch anytime on YouTube to get you started. With that said, what you will learn in today's video is how to create a new document and how to use the custom setting or using presets. You will just need your iPad, Procreate app and stylus. So let's get started.
To create a new document, we need to click on a plus button here. The options menu pops up where we can see all the default presets. Almost always I use this screen size, but if you need some specific dimension, you can use these presets which have their own color setting and canvas size. If you can't find the size you need in the presets, you can create a custom document by clicking the plus icon on the top beside the new canvas, and here you will be able to adjust the document settings. And you can change the size. For example, select pixels and type new with value 2500, height 2500 pixel. Also you can specify DPI if you need. I always go with 300 DPI, and that will show you how many layers you can have using the current settings. On the top we can rename the canvas. Click on the title and here we can type our rename with any new name. I will rename it now, type square. Let's click color profile now. Here you can select the specific RGB mode, or if you create an artwork for print, you can use CMYK mode, the time-lapse setting that will let you record the creation process of your artwork, which you can use to share as a video with your friends. In canvas properties, you can specify the default background color for your artwork. Click create. That opens up our newly created canvas. Click on a gallery to go back. Let's go back now and select our default square screen size canvas from the preset. The new document is created. So that's how we create a new document in Procreate.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and now time for your project homework. That is to create a custom new document using preset. So once you complete watching the video on Procreate series, do your practice. And thank you so much for watching the video and learning alongside me today. If you enjoyed this video, you may also like some of my many other videos, so do check it out on my YouTube profile. If you have any questions or comments about the video, please feel free to ask me in the comment section down below, or you could reach me out through my website. Link as always mentioned in the description below. Last but not least, like and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the bottom. This means that you will get a notification as soon as I upload my next video. You will be the first to know. You can also follow me on Instagram to see all the latest work in progress. Thank you again for taking the time to learn with me today, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye bye.